brilliant. I'm using the new Coastal app, absolutely magnificent. I'm here at Cardiff Bay Nature Reserve. I bet you didn't even know this was here, did you, eh? It's literally just around the corner from all the cafes and nightclubs, so 5 minutes walk along the coastal path. You'll be sipping a cup of tea. When you're finished, pop up here. You've got swans, grebes. I'll even be able to find out which areas are friendly to dogs, so I can walk my dog as I'm looking at our wonderful Welsh wildlife. You need this app.
Hello Shemai, I'm Derek Brockway and this is the official Wales Coast app. It's absolutely fantastic, has everything you need for a wonderful experience at the seaside. You can find out all about the local facilities, the tide times, even where to buy an ice cream, and of course check out the latest weather as well. So give it a go, it's great.